24 years after its passage. I'm talking about 2009. That bill, which sought to remedy some of the problems inherent in the law, which we women lawyers all know, fractionalization, and who is a spouse, and, things they are still talking about, which don't need to be talked about, and making provision for polygamous situations. There's so many things that the law needed to look at now. Up to today, from 2009, I'm not good at mathematics, but from 2009 up till today, 16 years, 15, 16 years, or how? The bill hasn't been passed in Parliament. They have not been able to pass it because they say I'm now a member of Council of State, so I can't attribute where the responsibility lies for not passing. But those who know, know. And let me also remind my colleagues of another failure of Parliament to implement Article 22(2) of the 1992 Constitution, some 32 years after coming into force of the Constitution of Ghana. The stipulation is that as soon as practicable, after the coming into force of the 1992 Constitution, Parliament, not me and you or a private member, Parliament should enact legislation regulating the property rights of spouses upon dissolution of marriage. I stood in Parliament that same 2009 to present that bill. As the Ghanaians say, Kebashimene. Up till today, Kopemene. Zero. Why? Parliament has failed the women of Ghana when it comes to this. And I call upon the women's groups and the CSOs. What we did, Sheila is here. We did a lot with Lewa at that time. Nanoye, do you remember? We did so much to try and bring this into being. This would enable the judges to have an even better locus to be able to push for women's rights and gender equality. Our judiciary has done an absolutely incredible job. They have been absolutely incredible in pushing the boundaries and tearing down the barriers of legal impediments to women's full realization of their rights. But there is still more to be done. And we, as a collective, have to push for it. FIDA Ghana, I'm 24.